When it comes to choosing a quiet gas furnace, there are several factors to consider. High-efficiency models with variable speed and modulating options can provide both efficient heating and minimal noise. The Carrier Infinity 9859MN7, Lennox SLP99V, and Trane Premier 97 two-stage variable speed are all good options to consider. However, it's essential to keep in mind that sizing, manual J, matched equipment, climate, ducts, fuel, electrical service, installer quality, and local parts support can all impact the performance and efficiency of the furnace. Homeowners should research and compare different models and verify the exact model, RE match, current specs, warranty registration, availability, and written installed quote before making a decision.